Are your eyes getting tired from staring at your monitor all day? Well, there may be a solution with this Quntis computer LED monitor light bar. It's got 3 different color settings and automatic brightness control. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. If you stare at your computer a lot throughout the day, and you want to be more efficient at your work and cause less strain on your eyes, then definitely check out this Quntis computer light bar. It features a unique asymmetrical optical design that illuminates only your desk and keyboard while avoiding glare off your computer screen. It's got a built-in light sensor, so the light bar can detect the surrounding brightness and then intelligently adjust the right light, keeping your eyes feeling comfortable. With 3 different color temperature options and powered by USB, this light could be right for you. But first, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so taking a look at the box itself. So on the side here it says it's got the anti-glare, does not strobe, it's healthy, good for your eyes, it's adjustable color temperature, adjustable brightness, auto sensitivity, it's got 50,000 hours of lifespan, and of course it's USB powered. In the back it tells you different type of monitors it can attach on. And then the color of the light is black, it's 5 watts, that's the power it needs, and color temperature 36,500 kelvins, and it's LED, powered by USB, and from Amazon this is what you'll search for. I'll leave the link for the product below. So let's check out what's inside the box. We've got the user manual. We've got the adjustments to adjust to your screen. We've got the USB-C cable. The screen clip. And then this is how you would adjust to attach it to your monitor. So it's pretty heavy, it's got a big counterweight in the back. Obviously it's got to be there to prevent the light from falling over. And here is the light bar. So the light itself is made out of aluminum. And looking at the buttons, they're not actually physical buttons, they're just touch sensitive. So nothing actually clicks. And looking at the lens cover, it's diffused. And that circled dot here is where the light sensor is located. Okay, so let's test out the light and see how it looks. As I mentioned earlier, this light is optically designed to just aim at a certain direction to prevent any glare. So as you can see here, it doesn't have a wide spread, it's more spotty, and that prevents, again, the glare. Okay, so let's test out the buttons. This is the on and off. I'm just lightly tapping it, and it already senses my finger. That is the auto brightness feature. Here I'm going through the 3 color temperatures and then the 4 brightness levels, 2, 3, and 4. Back to 1. Alright, one thing that I also want to know is if you unplug it, does it remember your previous setting? And yes, it does. Good job. So setting up and installing the light bar is pretty simple. You just need to clip the screen clip to the light bar as so, making sure that the USB-C port is visible, and you'll just plug that in. Every monitor is going to be different in terms of the shape and size, but as you can see here, everything is adjustable. So just by pulling that spring, you can install it over your monitor, even with just one hand, as I just showed you right here. And just like that, your LED light monitor is installed. This is one of those products that you never knew you needed until you get one. I've used this light for pretty much over a month now, and honestly, I can say that I won't be going back. This light has pretty much been a game changer. It just makes working in front of a computer so much more relaxing and less strain to the eye. So for those of you who spend many long hours working from the computer, I honestly highly recommend trying this LED light out. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye.